What's going on, beautiful people? D'Lo Brands back for another video. And today we are going to be doing a challenge. Okay, this is the first of its kind on my channel or on this channel. And we're going to see how fast we can go from idea to a fully built app, all with AI. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to open a countdown timer, online stopwatch. Okay, okay. So, boom. The counter's already started. The timer has already started. Actually, okay. All right. We're good. We're good. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Abacus AI, which is chat LLM teams. And basically, what I'm going to do is go ahead and start a new chat in chat LLM. And if you don't know what Abacus is, it has all of the models here. So bam, 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 bam. Everything has everything. But I love using Gemini 3 Pro. So what we're gonna do is build a makeup try-on app that girls can use before they get a makeup artist to do things on their face. And makeup artists can also use this app too. So we're gonna say it like this. I want to create a makeup try-on app that allows users to upload a photo and get different makeup looks on their face. Makeup artists can also input their own makeup looks on this so that their clients can be able to try on before they book. Okay, so this is the prompt, and all I'm going to say is help me plan this out. And the thing I love about Gemini 3 Pro is that it really does think all the time. And I think this gives us better outputs. AI, we're used to it being faster and faster and faster, and sometimes that's good. But when we want the model to actually come up with its own instructions and do a lot of the heavy lifting, we need to use a thinking model. And this is where Gemini 3 Pro really comes excuse me, comes in handy. And especially with vibe coding, um click below to continue the so we're going to run it again. Um I guess that it wanted to use Deep Agent to go ahead and build this out. Just give me idea planning, not the actual app. So we're going to let us do its thing. And what we're looking for is Gemini 3 to give us a plan of what this app can look like, what software we may need to use, what the front end can look like, and things of that nature. So augmented reality is something that I would definitely use in an app like this, but we just want to go from idea to app as quickly as possible. So whenever it gives us this plan, we're going to look at it, make sure it's cool, the user interface, smart face mapping, a look library, artist specific filters, skin tone matching, blah, blah, blah. Onboarding, the user scans face for skin tone analysis. The user scrolls through a TikTok style feed of makeup looks. Okay. I think that this could be cool. I think that this can be cool. So this is the high level technicalities that we'll be dealing with, but we will not build this out in this video. We're just going to get an idea to a front end. So now what we're going to say is give me a prompt for Rourke AI to build out the front end for me. So bam. Rourke AI is the easiest way to make a mobile app using AI. You can download the app on your phone, or you could just go to Rourke AI or Rourke.com. And so basically, all we're going to do is select one of our models here, which I'm going to use Gemini 3 Pro, and we're going to copy this. It also has all of the information that we need, and boom, we're going to just place it in here. And actually, honestly, do I want to use Sonnet for this? Sometimes when you're planning, Gemini 3 Pro is very, very good at that. But let's just use Gemini 3 Pro. Let's just use Gemini 3 Pro. I have not used Gemini 3 Pro in a mobile app build. So, bam, we now have Rourke building out Glam AR, which is our makeup try on app. And that only took us, what, 5 minutes to get the plan and input it and get it started. So, Rourke AI is a place where you can easily go from app idea to the actual build out. You have tons of integrations that they have, GitHub, different variables, APIs, whatever, and you can actually push it directly to the App Store if you do have a plan. So if you click upgrade, you see right here you have GitHub integration with the smallest plan, but then you have where is it at? There was a plan that I know for sure had like iOS App Store um, deployment or something like that, but we'll deal with that later. It's going ahead and building this out for us. It's saying Mox makeup, constant colors. So it's building out kind of the CSS right now, and it's going to go ahead and create all of the tabs. And we will actually be back when it is finished. All right, so Rourke has finished building the first kind of iteration. We're at 8 minutes and 40 seconds, and it has completely built out the app. And now we're going to get a first preview and see if it's actually good. And not to mention, if you wanted to, you can get an Apple version of the preview, an Android version of the preview, and a tablet version. But we're just going to stick with the regular Rourke version. And bam. So you can get this try on. You can grant it permission to use your camera. And can we choose one of these? Honestly, I don't know what that does, but I'm guessing that your picture would go there and the actual glam would show up. So you can like something, you can book something. Oh, they have a booking page. Oh my gosh. This might be a really good idea. Hold on. This might be a really good idea. You can select a time, confirm the booking. You have a profile, user profile, placeholder. So it did one shot and it didn't build out every single thing. But remember, we are on a free plan from Rourke, and we're gonna say hold to compare. Is this an actual look? How do we scroll up? I don't know. I don't know how we scroll up. Let's just say continue and let it build out more. Let it build out more and see if it, gives us a better product than what it just gave us. Honestly, this is really, really cool, but it's not good enough right now. So we can't say that this is like a working app right now, but it's a great idea. Honestly, to be able to see different makeup styles and like a TikTok style, girls love TikTok. So if they can look at different makeup styles and like that one, try it on at the same time, and then say, hey, I love this one. Let me book it. So you can, connect to the makeup artist, acuity scheduling or something like that. So it's going to develop the user profile, and we're going to see that next. And we are currently at 11 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay. And one other thing about Rourke is that you can actually have 5 daily messages to go ahead and send. So you can put multiple different changes in the same message, but you get 35 monthly. So let's say, every day for the next week, you can build out an app like very, very easily. All you have to do is you can use ChatGPT. Honestly, I do not prefer ChatGPT 5.1. It's so bad. Honestly, it's so bad. But Gemini 3 Pro is a great model, and 4.5 Sonnet is a good model. I know Opus is good too, but Yeah, so go ahead and check out Rourke. The link is in the description, as well as the link to Abacus AI. Try it out. And it has completed the following. So, implemented the user profile screen, enhanced the discovery feed, improved the booking modal, and updated mock data. So, don't know what that is, but we now have a profile where you can see, you know, different looks that you saved, your upcoming appointments, or maybe this might be for an actual makeup artist, and you can set notifications. But this try on, it still kind of doesn't work. But I don't expect this to work. Like, this is gonna take some back end functionality to actually work out. So, we can see both of these images on top of each other, but I'm not sure how helpful that is. So let's just call the app here. It's functional. We did this in less than 15 minutes, and you got a solid kind of prototype, a prototype that shows this is a TikTok style scrolling screen. You can you can book, you can try on, you have different tags for the actual looks, and you have a profile where all of this stuff is saved. And we got that plan in less than 5 minutes from Gemini 3 Pro, from Abacus AI. So let me know what you guys think about this video. We'll definitely do more challenges that are more in depth, building out the app completely further. I mean, I've done super in depth projects with strictly vibe coding already, so I'll be happy to share those experimentations with you guys. But remember to join the AIeducate AI Lab community on WAP. It is completely free. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been D'Lo Brands. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.